The Temo plugin allows us to create an image sequence out of a contact sheet. So to explain how this works, what we're going to do is set up a scene here. We're going to drag a rectangle to use as a backplate, and if you just want to scale it up a bit, you can. So we'll just scale it up for now. Now we're going to go into our built-ins, into the container plugins, and within the tools folder there is a Temo plugin. So we're just going to drag this onto our rectangle. When we do that, we don't notice any type of change because the Temo is actually waiting for an image. So we're going to go into our server now, and we need to use a specific type of image, and it's a contact sheet. So here I'm going to drag our contact sheet up onto our rectangle, and you can see that a contact sheet is just a series of images laid across horizontally and then vertically. And this is how the Temo reads it. So we're going to go into our Temo plugin, and here it gives us the number of tiles horizontal. So we have 5 pictures going across, and we'll just enter the number 5 there. Then it asks for the number of tiles in the vertical. So we have 6 going that way. So we'll just type in 6 for that one. And now you can see that it's filled the screen a little bit more. And if we need to go back and readjust the height of our rectangle, we can do that within the rectangle editor. So within the Temo, by adjusting this show tile number is how you can advance the sequence and play or make an image sequence. So you could keyframe this and start it at 1 and just advance it to however many tiles are within your contact sheet. So we can hit a keyframe at 0 at show tile 1, then just advance it up to our number, hit set key again, and set your animation.